So I shave a couple times a week, but I don't grow out much, which is why I usually just use one of these, the Handyman compact razor. Before that, I used the Gillette with 3 blades on it. But today, I got something else because this gives a closer shave, and this is going to be a safety razor. And so I want to do a quick test of it and see how well this works. On the back side, there's going to be some instructions. And here's where everything else is. We're going to have the handle for the blade, the head for the blade, and the blades themselves. And in each of these packs, there's going to be 5 blades, and here's what it goes ahead and looks like. It's in this paper thing. And there it is. It's going to be really thin and flexible. And now time to put this in the blade head itself. So this just mounts right on top here. And then the other piece can go right on top as well. And then here's where we can go ahead and screw in the handle. All right, now that that's all done, now it's time to go ahead and shave with this. So I got some shaving cream over here. And I have a bit of a unibrow, so let me get that too. And it's supposed to be held at an angle to use it, so let me test it out on the sideburn first. I was wondering why this wasn't working, and turns out I screwed in the bottom part the wrong way, so I have to go ahead and flip this over. There, just like that, and now the blades are facing outward, so now it's gonna actually cut my hair. So again, this is how it should go ahead and look like, kind of mushroom shaped with these tips facing downwards. And now I can go at like a 45-degree angle, but let me add just a little bit more shaving cream then. Oh yeah, now it's working. Yeah, that worked really well, and I will say I did get like a little nick somewhere over here, but now it's time to clean it out, and here's what the blade looks like, so you can see where all the hair and the gel got accumulated, and that's the hair. So here's how everything ended up looking like. It gave a really close shave, and I will say it was a bit tricky to go ahead and use, and I did end up nicking myself a little bit over here, but overall, I mean, this was pretty fun. It gave a really good shave when compared to like a foil shaver or like a Gillette, just a regular razor. And this definitely does require some practice to use, but I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more because it's really clean. But again, yeah, I do need some practice. But yeah, that's a quick look at the safety razor.